Hi guys, this is the iPhone 15 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then you'll see here sounds and haptics section. Just tap on it to open the settings and you'll see here the first volume panel of the ringtone and alerts. So just to change the ringtone volume, we should slide this white dot to the left or to the right side with your finger by this way. We could also change the ringtone and alerts volume with the buttons, but just to use the volume buttons, you should click to the switcher to activate this option or to turn it off. Also, we got here the haptics section. Just tap on it. We could use them always in silent mode, don't play in silent mode, or never to play. Let's go back. Here you could switch the ringtone just to one from the available ones. You could switch the text tone to also to switch the haptics from the default to the another one to change the new vibration or just to turn them off by click to none. Let's go back. Also, we could here switch the settings from new voicemail just by the same way to change the haptics settings, just to use them from store and to select another one. By the same way, we got the same settings to the new mails, to send mails, to the calendar alerts, and to the reminders. So this is all of the same settings for all of these options. And in keyboard feedback section, we could use the sounds and the haptics. Just to activate or turn them on, we should click on the switchers. Let's go back. Here we could activate or turn off the lock sound with the help of the switcher, and to use the system haptics also by click to the switchers. And in headphone safety, you could just watch here headphone notifications from last 6 months, and to reduce loud sounds. And to in personalize spatial audio, you could also personalize the spatial audio options. So that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our iPhone device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.